Hello, good morning from Davis Toyota in Orangeburg. I have the opportunity today to show you a 2021 Toyota RAV4 LE in magnetic gray in color. I'm going to take a few minutes, go over the vehicle, show you some of the features and benefits, and hopefully you'll have an interest. Come in and take her for a test drive. Okay, we're going to start here on the driver's side. As you can see on the driver's side door, we have your power windows, door lock controls, and mirror controls. Manual seat control. Fabric interior. Vehicle has no fabric issues, no stains, no tears, no rips. The vehicle has not been smoked in. You have the all-weather RAV4 floor mats, as you can see. I'm going to jump in here and start it up for you. You'll hear a few bells and whistles because I have all the doors open in the vehicle. We have a key start insert. And it's 5,947 miles on the vehicle. As I pan back, you see you have hands-free control for your phones. You have your dynamic cruise control and your lane departure warning systems right on the steering wheel. Just to the right hand side of the wheel, you have your controls for your wipers. To the left, you have your controls for the light controls. Nice big clear screen for your radio controls. All your heating, air conditioning, plus your electronic plug-ins. Nice center console. Now, this vehicle is Toyota certified, and what that means to you is you get 7 years comprehensive coverage on the powertrain out to 100,000 miles. On the purchase of this as new, it would have been 5 years, 60. You do have the ability to extend the whole coverage out on the vehicle up to 8 years, 125,000 miles. As you can see, the back seat has the heavy-duty all-weather floor mats. Enough seating room for 3 grown adults. You do have your charging ports for your backseat passenger phones. The body is in excellent condition. This vehicle has gone through the certified 160-point safety inspection and is ready for immediate delivery. Now, for those of you that carry cargo every once in a while, you have a nice 60-40 split seat, so you have plenty of room for luggage, groceries, whatever you might be carrying. Now, you can see this vehicle at the dealership Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. or Saturday we're here from 9 to 6. We are closed on Sundays, and we would be more than happy to talk to you about this vehicle if you call the dealership at 803-536-4512, or you can visit this or all of our pre-owned and new car inventory online at davisorangeburgtoyota.com. Thanks for spending a little time with us. We'd like you to come in and experience the Davis difference for yourself. I hope you have a great day. You take care.